Hi everybody, Sanbanana. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So you guys listen, if you've been watching my channel, you already know that I have been one person that has been rooting for Simpiwe to be casted for Ingane's Temple because I think that he will be such a good addition to the cast, you guys. I think he has a great personality. I like his positivity. I think that he is funny. I think that he likes to socialize. And recently, he's been doing these lives that he is doing on TikTok while he is at work, maybe like during lunchtime. And I think it's fun, you guys. I really hope that the producers of Ingane's Temple do consider him for the next season, if it's not season 3, because obviously they've already filmed for season 3 and we saw the trailer, he's not there. Maybe for season 4 they can consider him because I think that he's going to be a good addition. He already gets along with the Selegu kids and he is kind of related to them, and I mean, the girls like him, okay? He is a likable boy. Something interesting happened though when he was doing his live here, because of course girls will be offering themselves, okay? Eyi, amahloni Nkosi yami ey'nganeni zethu awasekho, okay? So, but what happened here was quite interesting because when he's doing his lives, you always get these girls that are offering themselves because, of course, he's single, or well, he says he's single and they're single, and there's nothing wrong with them, trying their luck, okay? But what's interesting about this life is that one guy actually also tried his luck, you know and he was a little bit too direct about what he was requesting from him. And Usumpiwe thought that it was a girl, and he actually wasn't impressed by what this person was requesting. And I think it was actually a good thing that he didn't see that it was actually a guy that was asking for the thing that this guy was asking for. And I cannot say it, you guys. I cannot say it, okay? This person was too direct. So I don't even think that people think about such things. You could say, how can you ask a person for such publicly? Like, what? But I guess this guy is also interested in Simpiwe. But I think Simpiwe didn't realize that this was just a guy. He was just shocked. He was like, I cannot believe that some of the girls would be so brave as to ask me something like this. But he did not realize that it's a guy. So not only are the girls crazy about Simpiwe, but it looks like the guys are also crazy about Simpiwe. Okay. I think that if he came on Ingane Sembu, he will give Umpumelelo a run for his money. And I think that is what we need on the show, okay? Please, please, milk and honey, okay? Season 4, please cast Simpiwe for Ingane's team. We need his personality in there. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegona. Here is Simpiwe's live during his lunchtime at work. Thank you so much. Nginithanda kakhulu.
Mawanje muhle ngalo munye izinani sibahle sonke ekhaya akekho mubi engazi sibahle mina ngikho muhle mina kuphela ishushu nasi isikhaftini esiblue nasi isikhaftini esiblue nasi isikhaftini esiblue
iyona juice le
ngefaka amanzi
sengaka sibangaka
hawu baphethe bathenga idrink nje otakhomba baziphuzise nedrink yabo type error oh nice
hayi
sanibona
yebo
Oros favorite juice yami le kodwa ngithanda le flavor ye pineapple Okay. Yes, Oros mfowethu. Oros. What the fuck? Like kazi isibindiseni. Yazi ngiyasifisa ngathi nani ngimboleke nje ifana njengalo basanda nezwe ngikhulumela uDoti. Jesus. Kontombazana pheleza nge-A40.
Yeah, man.
Sasa.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
People are crazy as.
Right.
Wait, where's my...
Aze ngayilende ngitshela ukuthi ngiyiyo bafana.
We can share him. Share who? Share me. Share me. Wabuzelana nomkhubeni. Ah, uphethe inyama. Sharing is caring.
So ngiyalona baby.
Sharing is caring. Angithi choma. Why phathi baqatha lodwa ukwazi ngikhona lapho.
I'm eating for 1 meal. I'm not eating for 2.
Oh, it's like that. It's like that now. It's like that now. Ah, it's fine.
Oh, I'm missing that card la.
Ah, khulumisa.
Sizosibile phela isinto. Uyafika manje?
Nah, it's just nje. Sometimes ngikhiphe lokubanda lokho. Guys, papa yini ngibona bethi. Ngisenze ku-live yakho leyo nto. Ku-live yakho.
Cocination.
Ku-live yakho ayikuyami live. Guys in papa yini mama nje nalokugeli. Ngihlupa uphethe KFC. Uzodla yedwa wema. Uzodla yedwa. Angiphathelanga mina KFC. Uzodla KFC namuhla. Bye guys. Sorry Pam. Oh Pam, wong say. Oh gosh.
Then one.
Yeah, this.